Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're re-diving into a topic that is quietly revolutionizing how we develop and use medical diagnostics, real-world evidence, or RWE. We'll be focusing specifically on its impact on companion diagnostics, the tests that help doctors choose the right treatment for the right patient. So, let's get started. First, a quick refresher. Real-world data, or RWD, is any health data collected outside of a traditional clinical trial. Think electronic health records, lab results, insurance claims, and even data from wearables. When we analyze this data to generate clinical insights, that's real-world evidence, or RWA. Both the FDA and IMA have clear definitions for this. So, how does RWE fit into the life cycle of a companion diagnostic test? It starts right at the beginning, in the discovery phase. By analyzing massive datasets from sources like genomic registries, scientists can spot new biomarkers that correlate with how patients respond to treatments. This is especially powerful for finding rare genetic variants that might be missed in smaller studies. Next comes validation. While RWE doesn't replace the strict lab testing needed to prove an assay is accurate, it provides a crucial reality check. By looking at real-world lab data, developers can see how a test performs with different types of patient samples or in various lab environments, helping to spot performance issues early on. But where RWE truly shines is in demonstrating a test's clinical utility. This means showing that using the test actually changes a doctor's decision and leads to better patient outcomes. Building a randomized controlled trial for every rare biomarker is often impossible. But by analyzing real-world data, we can observe how clinicians use a test, what treatments they prescribe as a result, and how patients fare in the real world. This is a game changer for getting innovative diagnostics to the patients who need them most. This evidence is also becoming critical for regulatory submissions. Agencies like the FDA and EMA are increasingly open to using RWE to support approvals, especially to fill gaps in trial data, create external control arms for single-arm studies, or expand a test's approved uses after it's on the market. Of course, the data has to be high quality, and the analysis robust. After a test is approved, the journey isn't over.
RWE is essential for post-market monitoring.
It helps track the test's performance over time,
Ensures its safety and allows for comparisons of its effectiveness in routine clinical practice.
This ongoing evidence can support label expansions and even influence clinical guidelines. Finally, RWE speaks the language of payers and insurers. To secure reimbursement, diagnostic companies need to show that their test provides real value either by improving patient outcomes or by avoiding more costly procedures down the line. RWE provides the hard economic and clinical outcomes data that payers need to see to justify coverage. Of course, using RWE isn't without its challenges. The data can be messy, with missing information or inherent biases. For example, doctors don't test patients randomly,
Which can skew the results. To overcome this, researchers use sophisticated statistical methods
link multiple data sources together for a more complete picture.
and must be transparent about their methods.
So, what's the big takeaway? Real-world evidence is becoming an indispensable tool across the entire life cycle of companion diagnostics.
From discovery to reimbursement, it helps us develop tests for rare diseases
Validates their performance in the real world.
and demonstrates their ultimate value to patients, doctors, and healthcare systems. It doesn't replace traditional trials.
But it powerfully complements them, accelerating the pace of personalized medicine. That's all for today. I hope you found this overview helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more content on the future of healthcare. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.